This is registration number UF14CS174, and we need to draw a collaboration diagram for the bus reservation system. First, I will tell you what is collaboration diagram. Actually, the collaboration diagram models the interaction between objects. This type of diagram is a cross between an object diagram and a sequence diagram. Collaboration diagram uses free-form arrangement of objects. It can make easier to see all iteration involving any particular object. So the basic components of a collaboration diagram are object, actor, link, and message. Let me tell you what is object, actor, link, and message. So first I'll tell you about object. Objects are instance of classes, we know that, and it can be arranged horizontally. It's the same as it was in sequence diagram. Now the actors is the same as it was in sequence as well as in use case diagram. So it is a stick figure that is used to communicate with the objects. Then message or stimulus. Message are showed as horizontal arrows between objects and labeled with an ordering number. And it indicates a communication between the objects. There can be two types of stimulus, that is forward or reverse. And link, the connecting line drawn between objects in a collaboration diagram are called links. They enable us to see whether the relationship between the objects, and each link represents and symbolizes the ability to object to send the messages to each other. A link can support more than one messages between objects. So this is one object, this is another object, and this is the link. So for the following bus reservation system, we had a diagram. So first for login, so customer, agent, and server. So enter username, password, input requested, then it will validate whether the entered username and password is correct. If it's not, then it would send back. If it is correct, it would welcome. Then the customer would book ticket, and then he can successfully log out. After the process is being validated, then the second one is the customer, between the customer and the ticket booking server. So the customer will fill the details, that is the source, date of journey, destination, and then it will display the customer will see for the availability of the seats. Then it will process the tickets, will book the tickets, the seats will be booked, and it will show, or else the seats can't be booked. Then the third one is between the customer, ticket agent, ticket server, and the bank. So first the customer would book the tickets, then the server would be asking him for the account details. The customer would provide the details, and then the ticket server would send an update request to the bank. So once the bank will update the account, so it will have shown successfully booked. That is, the ticket would be booked. Or else, if updation is not possible, then ticket won't be booked. So the last collaboration diagram would show between the customer, ticket agent, and the server and the bank. So here it would be for cancellation. So the customer would request for ticket cancellation. It would check for refund. If no refund was there, it would go back. And if refund is there, the ticket server would add the refundable to the request to the bank. The account would be updated. If the account is updated, so it would be refunded, or else it won't be refunded. Thank you.